Ciao Tesla people. I wanted to do another test. Someone left me a comment saying, does the parking assistant does it work at night? Which is a fair question. So I wanted to test and show you if it works or not. So here I'm going to put you here and we'll drive around and I'll try to park. Let me shut off the light. Hopefully you see the screen. Okay, I got the swivel screen so I can see straight. Actually, let me put you down here and so you're right in front, and I'll put the screen right in front of the camera. So here on the right side I have the cameras, and here in front, I hope you can see, there is a Vespa in front of me. Up there, down there is a Vespa, which is the one from last test. In the back I have a car, and on the right side I have the wall with some bushes and a tree. In the back there is a car, and on the side me there is another car. So I'll put you here and we'll do this test. I need to enter a password. Okay. Let me put the seatbelt on so I don't hear any noise. Okay, the lights are on. Let's go. Okay, so in front of me there is a Vespa, and it looks like it recognizes there is a scooter or a motorbike. And beside me I have the let me put you here, that is closer. I have the wall, and behind me there is a car. Actually, let me see if I can increase the display. Actually, no. That is better. Okay, so let's go. You see? So it is the Vespa on the right side. But the body of the Vespa is made so that the back is a big blob, and the front, since there is the body shape is difficult for the cameras to see. Now I'm turning right here. And actually, it will help me to do this curve because people park like crazy here. They think that they have a ship and not a car. So on the right side I have the wall, and on the left side I have another car. So it looks like below certain speed the Tesla Vision stays on, which is good. So let's turn right. I'm just going around my building. Very cool. You can see all the cars and the walls. It helps a lot with the distance between the car and the other cars, because if you never drove a Model Y, you don't see the hood. At least I don't. So it says the pole, there's the sign that is here. Here the car beside me is the one that was in the back before. And now we're going to park close to them and to the Vespa. Okay, so let's do. And that's it, you see? It sees everything. Let me go further up. On the right side there is a curb with because there is a small garden. So in front of me there is the Vespa here, this small blob, and is right in front of there. Okay. So let me go back. And a bit in front, and that's it. So looks like that everything works perfectly even at night. Now there are some lights here, but as you notice in the darker side there was no problem. So let me shut off the center mode. There was no problem. So Park Assist doesn't have any issue working in the dark. That's the result, which is great. And as you notice, it recognizes below a certain speed, it recognizes all the cars, the walls, and there's a no parking pole there, a sign. Recognize that. Of course, the shape are not super accurate, and that's because probably it's learning. This Vespa thing is interesting, and that's peculiar to the shape of a Vespa. Let me turn on the lights here. And that's it. So the parking assist, the high fidelity parking assist, or Tesla Vision, whatever you want to call it, works at night too. I'm going to leave my Tesla referral in the description, so if you buy a Tesla or you want to try a Tesla, a test drive, use my referral. If you buy a Tesla, you get 3 months of free FSD until the end of the year, I think, and 6 months of free Supercharger, which is really good. Also, I have the links about all the accessories I install on my Model Y. Please leave a like, turn on notification if you already subscribe, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.